Hello America, Mark Kelson here today in Junction City, Oregon. Guarantee RV to present to you this wonderful 2020 Bay Star 3609. Bath and a half floor plan, a lot of room, a lot of style. Let's go in and see it. Coming in, this coach will feature the kitchen towards the front. This will go over here, but you have the booth right here and the countertop across the way with the square rectangular sink, I might add. Dual sink, very in style right now. Moen faucet, nice color woodwork on these cabinets. Strategically placed right above is the fantastic vent fan. So you do have stainless steel appliances in here, cooktop, and here you got the Whirlpool convection microwave. Just awesome. But this gives it a real homey feel when you have the couch right in the middle, and it does go out into a bed. You have these little ottomans right here that open up so you can store stuff inside. Really cool. Refrigerator right there, so you're not too far away if you need to get yourself a beverage while watching the TV over here. And a little fireplace really heats this place up. This is so awesome, very homey. This is a good floor plan. Coming to the center of the coach, you're going to see we have a half bath right there. Nice colors, nice room for guests that may be here. Right here you're going to have some room for storage and or a washer and dryer if you want to put it in there. To the back, this features a king size bed with beautiful accents, nice valances, nice airflow back here. The lighting up above, just great on that decorative lighting. But this king size bed, I think you got a little storage underneath. So yeah, you do. And I see the bed post is small enough down here that if you wanted to make it a queen, you could and make bigger stands on the side, but those seem very ample to me. Back here on the other side, a bank of drawers, a lot of space for clothing on both sides. TV up above, 32-inch, 6 drawers, a little exit window in the event of an emergency. Very nice. Coming to the back, we are going to have a huge shower right there. A lot of times you don't get much room in these coaches to shower. Not in this coach. Look at that. It's awesome. Your sink, little vanity area. You got places for your toiletries and your pills and all that stuff. And then right here for linens and whatever you need back there. Nice toilet with strategically placed little fantastic vent fan above. Let's go up front and see what it has to offer. So up front, you're going to be a flex steel seating. Very comfortable, very nice. F53 chassis. You got levelers to the left. You got dials that are easily accessible, the battery boost, you got your generator, your overhead fans, you control your mirrors, and they are heated, by the way. You have cruise control at the touch of a button. Right here, your tow haul, you do have your CD player, your backup camera, your navigation, all that stuff right here in kind of an info center. And then of course your heaters and cabinetry up above. So you got entertainment, you got a little storage up here. Very nice. And again, one of the things that I really like about these coaches is how they build this little table in. It's really nice for the co-pilot. Well, let's go outside and see what it has to offer. There's a lot on this coach, so not much time to cover it, but you can always call me. 3609. So this coach is going to have full body paint. Look at the colors on this thing, like a bronze and kind of a light bluish color and a silver. Just absolutely beautiful. Now you got a lot of storage in this coach too. So room for some big items. And these open to the side. There's a water tank right there. A lot of storage, plug in down here, lights in there, automatic awning, comes out with a touch of a button. One of the things I like about Newmar is how these fit right into the sidewall, so it eliminates overlapping and the chance for some water to get inside the coach. Big tires, 22.5 Michelin's. So it gives you a really smooth ride. These bays go up and over to the other side. So if you have fishing poles or something like that, this is the coach for you. You can fit them all in there. It's awesome. Coming to the back ladder and get up on the roof to check your seals, you know, service your ACs, whatever you got to do. Receptacle right there for towing. Those colors are just outstanding. 50 amp service in this coach. You do have a surge guard in here, so if you get some dirty electricity, it'll take the brunt of it. Storage. More storage. There's no lack of storage in this coach, that's for sure. Water bay, outside shower, house filter, inlets, outlets, sewage right there. You can get under here really easy with these side open baggage doors, which is really nice. So let's see, I was looking for, oh, there it is. The Onan generator, 5,500 watt Onan, all the power you need. And there's your LP tank, huge LP tank. I don't know what size that is. It must be about 30 gallons at least, but alternative fuel on board. That's a cool thing. Side cameras, very nice, illuminate the side so you can pick up a bicyclist or something coming down the way if you're going to make a turn. Beautiful coach, 3609 Newmar Bay Star. What a great coach. My name is Mark Kelson, number 541-285-8791, or the number at the bottom of your screen. Thank you so much for watching.